Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking the door. Change your password right now to a unique 12-plus character passphrase and avoid reusing it. Once done, enable Roblox two-step verification so a code is required at each login. This prevents credential reuse attacks. Next, make sure the email on the account is correct and confirm ownership. Finally, scan the devices list and remove anything you don't recognize. That prevents active sessions from continuing to access your account. Now you audit what has permission to interact with your account. Go through connected apps and revoke any unknown third-party integrations. They can leak tokens. At the same time, set privacy and chat filters to friends or strict to reduce unsolicited DMs and links. Check recent trades, purchases, and marketplace sales for unauthorized activity and cancel suspicious listings. Make these changes deliberately and confirm each setting. This minimizes. Finish by shoring up recovery paths. Secure the email linked to Roblox with its own strong password and 2FA so attackers can't reset you. If items or Robux were stolen, contact Roblox support with your account ID and recent transaction details. Provide proof of ownership where possible. Then enable login notifications and check activity daily for at least 2 weeks. If something still looks off, immediately revoke sessions and reset passwords. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser caches and try a different device to rule out local malware.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.